Astral beings, look. It's a banyan tree all up there. And this is actually its roots. So freaking cool. I don't even know how this managed to, be like this, but it is. And then it comes over to here to this cool looking area and tree. See, and this is how trees work together. We got a palm tree here. And then I don't even know what kind of tree this is, but see, they're like both together. These trees. All these trees are just like working together. Enjoying this part of the beach by the water. Can't go wrong. There's literally like a whole wall of roots over here from the mangroves. So cool.